Man, this car sounds crazy. Hey YouTube, welcome to a new video. I'm Philip Jacob and you're watching Metal Beings. On this video, we are going to be seeing this custom built Honda Accord 2010 model. So the car we are checking out today is painted in this beautiful candy green color and with these golden wheels. So the major work done on this car is by 360 Motoring Cali Kit, and this is also fitted with air suspension. So as you can notice, it's completely lowered right now. That is done by N1 Concepts, and another thing of the exhaust that is done by Grid 7. So let's go in detail about this car's review. So while checking out the front, you get this very aggressive design in the front. As you can notice, the headlights are completely custom built. Again, you have this full LED headlamps on them, and you also have the daytime running lamps, which gives a very good look for the car. Fully blackened out grills with the Honda logo with the chrome finishing. And this bumpers, again, it's custom built. You get this honeycomb grill in between, and also these small spots of the LED lights. The front is actually so beautiful. For example, if you're driving in front and if you see this car on your rear view mirrors, you will surely want to let him go past you. And while checking out the wheels, you get 18-inch alloy wheels, and this one is F1R wheels, which are pretty wide, gives a very good stance for the car. And again, the kit which is done on it is again the wide profile kit. You have these vents over here, the blackened out mirrors with the lights incorporated into them, and such a beautiful stance even in the side. And as you can notice, the car's owner is a big fan of MV, and that's him over there, MV Men's Medusa. That's the car owner. And when we come to the rear, you get this huge Voltex as spoiler at the back, which is mounted just beside the number plate zone. It actually gives a very good stance when you look from the rear. And this custom built bumpers again gives a very aggressive look with a portion for the quad exhaust tailpipes. You also get the diffuser design on them. The exhaust tips are finished in Remus exhaust tips, and you get the badging of the V6 and the 363 Motoring Cali Kit badging too. Such a beautiful looking car with a beautiful stance. Let me just show you how it looks from the side when it's completely lowered. And once it's parked and lowered, this is the stance of the vehicle. Such a beautiful looking machine. So right now when we are checking out the boot, you see where the heart of this air suspension works, done by N1 Concepts. Such a beautiful setup. Just that you can also enjoy looking at it also. And then you also, for the music, he has a JBL woofer system at the back. It's so neat to look at. It's not just the action but also the looks. And while checking out the engine, the car gets a 3.5 liter petrol engine, which is a V6, and there has been some modifications done to it. It's got a cold air intake, it's got the manifold, the exhaust system added to it. By default, this engine used to give 280 bhp, but now after the tuning and everything, it gives 300 plus bhp. And right now we'll be able to listen how this engine sounds. Now let me show you how the exhaust sounds. Damn, that is loud. Okay. And while checking out the interior, you get this steering wheel, and again the same candy green concept has been brought into the interior also. As you can notice, the dashboard, the steering wheel, the door pads, everything gets this green color on it. You get a multifunctional steering wheel, you get the cruise control on it, you get a analog instrument cluster, you get a digital display, Beautiful cockpit again, just because it has this green color gives a little bit more touch on it. The seats are again custom built. You get this bucket seats in the front and also at the rear, which has a very good stitching on it. And this one, having the air suspension mode, has the controls over here. So this is where you raise and lower this vehicle. Such beautifully built car. So right now we are going for a short spin on this beautiful Honda Accord, and we have the owner next to me, Mr. Abhilash, aka MV Man. So please do check him out on Instagram and YouTube. He's there on both the platforms. So bro, tell me, when did you buy this car?
2 years back.
2 years back. And when did you plan on doing this modification on this car?
After taking 3 months I have used and gave it for modification.
Okay, so 3 months and he wasn't satisfied with the car and immediately he went it and sent it off for the modifications. And so whom did you get in touch with first?
360 Motoring.
Okay, so 360 Motoring, Calicut, they are the guys who helped in doing the basic, I mean, not the basic, the major work on this car. And after that you took it to N1 Concepts?
No, they only did.
Oh, they only, okay, so they incorporated with N1 Concepts and they did
Grid
this
7.
add suspension and also Grid 7 for the exhaust. He's a very aggressive driver. Now itself you'll be able to listen of the exhaust. Man, this car sounds crazy. You guys have to sit inside to feel it. Oh man. The proper V6 on its full throttle. You can see the smile on my face. That proves how happy this car is. This car makes people happy. So this guy, apart from this car, he owns MV bikes. He's a super biker. He has his own Instagram page. A big fan following person over here, so I'm nothing in front of him. He's so friendly that as soon as I requested him that let's just go for a short spin, let me take a video, he was more than happy to come over and give this drive. This car is amazing, guys, trust me. If you see it anywhere on the road, you will stop and look at it. That's how the car looks, and now I know how it performs also. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm just going to wind up. I'm going to have some fun with this MV Man with this car over here. So I'm signing off. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also his channel, and follow him on Instagram. He is
Subscribe.
He is MV Man _ Medusa, and the same page is also there on YouTube. So please follow my man also. Okay, in YouTube it's MV Man. Follow him also. So guys, I'll see you guys later in another video with another car. Until then, goodbye.